see, this car also has oxidation and yellowish haze in its headlight, which makes it look really ugly, and it's not just that, it's also not good because it takes up some visibility at night. That could create an accident. But not to worry, we do offer a service for headlight restoration. Now as you can see, now we're done. This headlamp's not new detail. Now if you guys ever wanna do some type of service like this to your car, come to Mad Guys with carpet cleaning. I'm saying Mike is trying to be sophisticated. Therefore, he tries to correct my words.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Now that's a good example. Now listen to this.
That is a perfect example.
Listen, now listen to this. Michael tries to be sophisticated because, you see, because that's a different thing. Therefore, it's saying the action you're doing because it's explaining why.
You're talking about the life.
But listen.
Therefore.